Well, the power went off last night. The heater resets to 54 degrees. So I woke up to a pretty cold house. Let's see what the snow is like outside. Holy moly. Whoa, we're supposed to get a foot of snow. This is more like, you know, judging by the neighbor's roof, that's about 3 feet. And it's still snowing. Oh boy. I ain't going anywhere for a while. I forgot to move the car. Usually I put the truck 4-wheel drive in the front. But I'm buried. Good thing there's a store across the street. So quiet. The freeway is definitely shut down. Yeah, man. Wow. Let's see, what is it? February 24th. Yeah. That's a lot of snow. Well, they've been keeping the road plowed.